Are you seeing the dreaded message, your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. Let's start with the easiest fix. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on your Apple ID banner at the top, then select Password and Security. Now, choose Change Password. You'll be asked to enter your iPhone's passcode. Once done, type in your new Apple ID password and confirm it. Tap Change. And that might just solve the problem. But if your account is still disabled, here's what to do next. Open your preferred browser and go to support.apple.com. On the home page, tap on the device you're using, for example, iPhone. Now, scroll down until you see the search bar. Type in Apple ID disabled. From the results, tap on the one that says if your Apple ID is locked or disabled. Next, tap Contact Apple Support. Then hit Get Started, sign in with your Apple ID, and follow the steps to report the issue. Apple's support team will help you recover and unlock your account. If this helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech fixes.